Puilano Dipol Kaham Tini Jini TTAD sa hapon ibu hakte saklaimo tai logibo tongo Jini press meet kelaitani Jini honorable EM Bangwana Rajesh Tripura te Jini honorable MDC Jini South Juni chairman Bangwana Deputy Tripura te Jini sports and youth affairs department ni Jini principal officer Bangwana Omodin Deborma Puilano saklai mungtongnai chini TTAD sa hapon ngi chini bobagrana belekan hambai omahke initiative ka hamna wai chini sikla salen moti dolman bagi te chini honorable CM honorable deputy CM te jot to EM te jot to chini MDC jot to ni support by chini Tripura football league success klaimanka te amoni final match ngai 15 tarikh 15 tarikh ni duita tampro khumulung stadium bo thungjaknai thungnai rok ni bising dol ni wngkha chini Gumoti district ni team by chini west zone borok batalainai tai third position o tongrukha eba thungui kuplai ka third position bagi chini dolai okay jago chini special guest ni faimajak fainai chini Indian football team ni captain former captain Mr. Bajung Bhutia hai chini pandano masaki fainai taibo tongai chini hani buwagra Maharaja Sri Pradeep Vikramaniko Deborma bobologi tongai tei jotto chini Tripura Hasen Lukorokno khakham tei jotto chini thungrung eba dolni chini players no hani khakham borongni bagui chini TTAD sa hapon ngi khakham yapar horo narok kaham gurungkai practice khlelai final match narok taibo nong kurung gugno phonogdi tei first prize tongnai chini kuplai rono 3 lakh tongnai second prize tongnai 1.5 lakh third prize tongnai 75,000 okay opanda faimajak phagui hastin jotto chini thung hamjak tongnai chini jotto lukorokno khabel hamsogo जों TTAD से हाफांनि हामबाय facility management chini medical team thum chini volunteers naitoli chini pandang naithur nai on bagi chini jotto bedek ni eba department bo khakti chini kaisa committee khlaijaka o committee bo chini bo EM bo MDC chairman sibo tongnai president sibo tongnai abo jotto chung committee bo khakti abo kaisa form khlaijaka
Apuna kari final match ni sala kuno apte hai announce jamung hai ka ba announcement of khajak na abai bo hai kina
acha obun ke chini awi mung ta tabung nong ibo khakti chini media rong bo khakti ba awi mung tongnai ta abun ya bulo chini ICAT department bo khakti abo tongnai abun ya bulo chini resam masang chini culture team bor bo tongnai ngai lama lama chini flags banner obo bo chung theba janai First of all, I would like to thank my dear friends, and today we conduct a press meet on behalf of TTADC. Then, first of all, I'm really thankful to Buwagra, then our honorable CM, honorable deputy CM, all EMs and all MDCs for their support and guidance, which have made the Tripura Football League successful. And the final match of the league will be played on 15/12/2021, where our former Indian national football team captain Sri Bajung Bhutia and Buwagra will grace the special occasion. Final match Gumoti versus West Zone. I invite everyone to come and be part of the exciting match and occasion. Thank you, everyone.